Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. So, my dear students, quickly take out your GK books and we will start our review today. So, we are going to review unit number 3 because it's finished. Today, you will also have an assessment. So, role and responsibilities is finished now, and we will have a complete look at what we have done in this unit. So before that, let's move forward and recap what we did in the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we have a project about the rights of a citizen and we discussed them. We had a pictorial tour. Now quickly, you have to tell me what are our rights as a citizen. You have to name a few rights. Your rights as a citizen. Yes, we need electricity, we need clean water, we need education, we need healthcare facilities, we need transportation, security, and there are multiple rights that we have as a citizen. So from here we will move forward because we are going to have a review today. So we are going to review all the student learning outcomes which are given on page number 24, which you can see on your screen. That you in this unit we defined government, we identified some goods and services that government provides for the people. We list 3 rights of citizen. We understand that everyone has a right to practice their religion freely, and we identified the responsibilities for each right that we have as a citizen. Okay, so again we will see what we did in the reading pages, but before that let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. To Allah belongs the domain of the heavens and the earth and all that is in between them, and to him will all return. Because we discussed about the government, so we know that above all, government से भी ज़्यादा, किसी country से भी ज़्यादा, हर चीज़ जो है वो अल्लाह ताला ने बनाई है और हमने अल्लाह ताला के पास ही लौट कर जाना है. अल्लाह ताला जो है वो हर चीज़ के मालिक हैं. Okay, so the next Islamic perspective that was discussed in this unit was God commands people to maintain justice, kindness, and proper relations with their relatives. He forbids them to commit indecency, sin, and rebellion. God gives you advice so that perhaps you will take heed. So my dear students, ये वाली जो verse है, ये हम यहाँ पे क्यों डिस्कस कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट आवर राइट्स एंड आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. तो हमारा ये राइट है कि हमारे साथ बहुत अच्छा सलूक किया जाए, प्यार का सलूक किया जाए, जस्टिस से पेश आया जाए. सो इसी तरह ये हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी है कि हम दूसरों के साथ भी इसी तरीके से पेश आएँ. तो हमारा राइट है कि हमारे साथ अच्छा सलूक किया जाए और हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि हम दूसरों के साथ भी अच्छा सलूक करें. तो अल्लाह ताला हमें ये एडवाइस इसलिए देते हैं ताकि हम जो हैं हमें समझ आ जाए और हम बेहतर इंसान बन जाएं. From here we will move forward towards page number 25. On this page we discussed about what is government. हमने पढ़ा था कि government जो है it is a group of few people which what they do is they are responsible for providing goods and services to the people of the country. So a system or a group of people who runs the country and they provide services and goods to the country. So this is called a government. Okay, so the first question is, what is government? Quickly answer. A group of people who run the country. Very good. Now goods and services by government. Now in this student learning outcome we discussed about कि government जो है हमें बहुत सी facilities provide कर रही है, like hospitals, schools, roads, transportation, clean water, electricity. So these are all the facilities provided by the government. So इसी तरह हमें बहुत सी चीज़ें भी government provide कर रही है, like food, medicines, books, transportation. So these are all the goods which are provided by the government. Now you have to share some of the services and goods provided by the government. We have just discussed it. It is so easy to answer. Very nice. From here we will move forward towards page number 26 and here we discussed about the rights of the citizen. क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट हमें जो भी चीज़ें प्रोवाइड कर रही है वो बीइंग अ सिटीजन इट इज़ आवर राइट. ये हमने डिस्कस किया था ऑन पेज नंबर 26. हमने डिस्कस किया था that as a citizen it is our right to get clean water, electricity, transportation, roads, education, healthcare facilities, security. So these are our basic rights. So now you have to tell some basic rights of citizens. Clean water, electricity, education, hospitals, transportation, security. Very good. From here, we will move forward towards page number 27 and page number 28. On this page, we discussed about the responsibilities of the citizens. Why? Because we have some rights and we also have some responsibilities as a citizen. So we discussed about our responsibilities, that we must save water, we must save electricity, we must plant more trees, we must help the needy, we must respect everyone, we must follow all the rules, and we must not damage the public property. And being a good citizen, we also have some rights and we also have some responsibilities which go side by side to make a successful and healthy society. So now you have to tell me, what are our responsibilities as a good citizen? Name a few, 2 or 3. Very good. Yes. Save water, electricity, and work hard. Very good. And help needy people. Very nice. So these are responsibilities of a good citizen. Okay, my dear students, now for your practice, you will show an assessment on your screen, and this will be provided to you by your teacher in print form. This is the assessment worksheet. You will write down your name and your class on the top. After that, you can see 2 questions on your screen. Answer the following questions. What is a government? We have just revised that. Very good. Answer it and write down in a neat and clean handwriting. Write any of your 2 rights as a citizen. Any 2 rights. Write it down. Any 2 rights which are provided to us. जो हमारी need है, जो हमें ज़रूर चाहिए. You have to write any 2 rights over here. Very good. Okay, the next question is, sort out your rights and responsibilities as a citizen from the picture given below. Okay, now here you can see few pictures and you have to pick up your rights and you have to write them here. And then you have to pick up your responsibilities and you have to write it here. So this is very easy. Look at the pictures carefully and then give them words and write them in the rights or responsibilities. I hope everybody has finished the worksheet. Your teacher will evaluate you by giving you grades and marks. From here, we will move forward, my dear students, towards your homework. Today, your homework is to discuss with your parents about the rights and responsibilities of a citizen. Now, your unit is finished. You have done the assessment. You are well aware of your rights and your responsibilities. You have to discuss them with your parents. Go to them, discuss that these are the rights of a citizen and these are the responsibilities of a good citizen. And the rights and responsibilities always go side by side. Your parents will be impressed by the discussion. So, from here we will move forward. Now the students are able to, because the unit is finished, all of you are now able to define the government. Government क्या होती है? You are able to identify your rights as citizens and you can identify the responsibilities as a citizen. ठीक है? Identify their rights, that means your rights and your responsibilities. Okay? So all the students are now able to define the government, tell their rights and tell their responsibilities. So I hope you have learned a lot of things from this unit and now you are well aware of your rights and responsibilities. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day and Allah Hafiz.